In the president's speech tonight, we heard more well-scripted rhetoric. We heard more proclamations of how well we are doing in certain areas. We heard more promises of working on various problems. We heard more class warfare, where the president and his administration still wants to manipulate the tax code and pick winners and losers, reward some, and open up new loopholes for others. We heard more excuses and blame, and attacks on businesses, and attacks on Congress for what they have not done. In a word, I heard this speech and it came across as a hodgepodge of little ideas. No big ideas that would fundamentally change how things work in Washington. No big idea that would dramatically impact job growth and economic growth in this country. With all due respect, Mr. President, some of us are not stupid. The state of the union is not good. We want common sense solutions. That's how we do it outside of Washington. And we happen to believe that we need more common sense solutions inside of Washington. The American people, the Tea Party people, we know that this nation is broke. Not almost broke, it is broke. And Washington is broken. We can't spend our way to prosperity, even though the president continues to propose ideas for more spending, more agencies, and more entities on top of the overbloated government that we already have. We also can't tax our way out of debt. Not until we get this economy growing.